Let's have some fun with 4O. So, took a picture. Tell me what you see in this picture. I'm going to follow up with a series of images, and I want you to describe what changed. Picture. In this picture, striped cushion, concrete coffee table, ceiling is wooden, floor has a beige outdoor rug. So I took a picture straight down onto the coffee table. You can see I have some scattered tools and scissors and a scissor lighter, black wrench-like tool with a ring attached. And look, we organized this table, so looks different. In the latest picture, the yellow fan is the same place, pink lighter, but it's now closer to the left of the bottom of the table. We have a group of small objects all clustered together. The white object seems to be missing. I hid it. I put it underneath the pile. So, for the record, it can identify missing objects. It identifies new objects, describes the new objects, describes the scene, and even says, hey, it's noticeably cleaner and it's nicer around there. Up, we have pull toy, glasses. Hey, an inflatable pull toy. There it is. And the previously noted items are there. Put it out a different pull toy. We have a fan still there. But you see there are two pull toys, two inflatable pull floats. Great. And the arrangement is mostly unchanged. What's different? You can see I put this ring around the flamingo's neck. Hey, two flamingos. And where is it? Oh, an additional small transparent pink inflatable ring inside the second flamingo's pull float on the right. So it describes new and correctly associates it to the other object that is there. Pretty sweet. No more fan. That's what I removed. Hey, in the latest image, there they are. Where is... Oh, the fan got removed from this one, sorry. And I may have to edit that. Oh, there it is. The yellow fan has been removed. So we come down here. Last one. Look at this. There's a little doll there. And I put it on top. So there's the pull floats. Transparent ring still there. And, oh, new addition. Small doll hanging inside. One without the sunglasses. Now, later on in the evening, tell me what changed. You see there's no more pull float. There's a towel. There's the hidden fan back here. Yellow fan, it's now on the right, so it sees that come back. We got an orange blanket cloth wrapped over it. And I like this. This is a lot of touch. Hey, the overall setup appears to be more orderly. In other words, you clean your crap up, right? And with that added. So just for showing off, took a picture of the pull float. And look at this, small robotic pool cleaner near the inflatable float. So not only does it see the inflatable float, it knows that the pool cleaner underneath, and did all of this at night. Pretty sweet. And do you recognize this? You do, of course. There's the glasses, pink flamingo, and hey, look, it's still nighttime, so it changes the scenery. Whereas the float, hey, we got a grill and a fridge behind us, great. And ending it with setting up the scene. There's the pull float, new thing. We have a net in the back, big changes, fan gone, patio illuminated, bed blanket, and flamingo without the sunglasses.